Naked Beekeeper here, fully prepared to requeen this hive. I'd suggest you come down there and get a good visual. So we're just going to introduce some smoke into the hive. In multiple ways. I just put some up here for a second. There's a lot of bees I can hear. Angry, agitated, there's no queen.
Calm, still. Most of the time.
Hear them?
A little pissy.
Okay.
They need a mommy.
You got the queen?
I do.
So the queen is here. Okay, she's in tight. She's in here with about 5 workers protecting her. So I'm gonna find a way to get this baby off of here. And you can see there's some sugar candy in this one end. That's to give him time to introduce this queen to the hive. So what I'm going to do is just open it up.
Very loud.
I'm going to spread this center here. I'm going to open up the hive. I'm going to put the queen in with the candy side here and then just tighten it up. Now I'm going to come and check this queen really quick to see if they've gotten this candy out tomorrow. I'm not going to waste any time because in the end I want to readjust these frames tighter together so that they don't fill this in with weird comb. So she's in with 5 workers, and this will give them, these bees that are pissed because they don't have a queen, some time to sniff on her for a day or two, and then hopefully they'll accept this queen. So we just requeen that. It only takes a few seconds. And now we're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. It's not hard to requeen. It cost us $50 to get that shipped. It took 3 days. And that's boom. Do it. Anything?
Nope. Bye.
Later. So, the queen's in. They're fanning out front here, and there's lots of pollen coming into the hive. So, it's a pretty healthy hive without a queen. There's a huge drone that just left.
So somebody loaded down.
Yeah, I saw some big pollen loads. It's early in the season, so where we are, there's one.
There. Yeah.
The bright yellow.
Yep.
So, we'll be out here tomorrow, probably late day. Hopefully the queen is out of her cage. If not, we'll gently put her back and we'll go from there.